today, I found a new tool. It's not a new, it's already existing here in the internet, but I just found it, which is Youmakr. It's an AI software tools that helps you in getting writing ideas. So you just go to youmakr.com and then you're going to have like this interface. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how does it work for a free versions. So here you're going to write the ideas of your writings like you're talking to your friends. Okay, for example, so um, this is my idea of writing, which is about nowadays we are all everyone talking about online teaching. So this is for my thesis idea. So now I'm going to click start writing for free. And you're going to have it to this interface. So I'm going to write it down by choosing either I want to have a short paragraph, a medium paragraph, a long paragraph. Okay, so maybe I'm going to choose long and then just click write more. And then the systems will run and it's going to give you the magic begin. So here it gives you all the ideas, okay? And the best thing is that all the sentences that we made are being checked by the plagiarism. So there's no self-plagiarism here. So once you get the output like this, you can check either the created sentences are close to your writing context or not. Okay, and if you think that you need to elaborate more from here, just click write more. But yeah, this is a free version, so you need to register for it. Okay, so that is how you use Youmakr. And for using Youmakr, you're going to create an amazing paper which is plagiarism free as it is powered by AI. So it is totally original to you and there's no plagiarism. But still, you are the masters of your writing, so you should know the context of your research or your context of your writings, the context of your content, and either it's appropriate and aligned with the idea that you're going to. Okay, so you can try it at youmaker.com.